If you're looking to add more protein to your diet, you have to try these stuffed dhoklas topped with amla green chutney and fresh veggies. Start by blending your soaked dal until it forms a coarse paste. To this we will add some yogurt and whisk vigorously so it becomes nice and fluffy. After letting it rest, इसमें हम add करेंगे salt, haldi, green chili, ginger and some oil. Mix this until well combined and add some water to adjust the consistency. For the stuffing, mix together peas, fresh coconut, cashews, cranberry, cilantro and some salt. And now to make it super pillowy and soft, and we will add some fruit salt and lemon juice to activate it. Mix it well, and now it's time to assemble these. Grease your mold with some oil and add in some veggies at the bottom for the color. Pour in a layer of the batter, followed by our coconut and pea filling. You can customize the filling based on whatever you have available. Top it off with another layer of batter. And now we will steam these for 10 to 12 minutes till they are done. I like to serve it with some green chutney जिसमें हम डालेंगे आंवला, and green chutney का taste है कुछ खट्टा मीठा और तीखा which goes really well with the dhokla. These dhoklas are truly a family favorite here. Serve them warm with some ghee or oil tadka. Top it off with some amla green chutney, some fresh veggies, and these wholesome dhoklas are ready. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.